Hi, hello viewers, hello everyone. Welcome to secondary school chemistry. This is day 4 of solving random NECO question from NECO 2026 theory question. Now let's take this random question here. The question is very short. The question reads, what mass in grams of sodium carbonate is needed to prepare 250 cm cube of 0.2 mole per dm cube of the solution? And we are given the atomic numbers for the mass numbers for sodium, oxygen, and carbon. And let's simply write out all the parameters given to us. First of all, the question says we should calculate the mass of who? Sodium carbonate. That's our main aim. But we are also given the concentration. After that particular mixture, the concentration that was produced is 0.2 mole per dm cube. And the volume of water used 250 cm cube. So we use 250 cm cube dissolving an unknown mass of sodium carbonate to produce this solution. The question is, what mass of sodium carbonate was used in reacting with this water to produce this concentration of the solution? Very simple. First of all, we know that what formula involves mass? Mass is equal to mole times the molar mass, right? Now, what is the molar mass of sodium carbonate? Like I said, we are given the atomic masses of sodium to be 23 times 2, plus carbon is 12, plus oxygen is 16 times 3. So the molar mass of sodium carbonate is 106 gram per mole. So mass is equal to mole times 106. But in this case, we are not given the mole. So how do we calculate the mole? Also remember that using concentration and volume, we are told that mole is equal to concentration times volume in dm cube. So our concentration is 0.2 times our volume is in cm cube. But this formula only accepts dm cube. So we have to convert 250 cm cube to dm cube. And that gives us 0.25 dm cube. So when we multiply 0.2 by 0.25, we get 0.05 mole of that. Now we have gotten our mole to be 0.05 and we know our molar mass is 106. So simply say our mass will be equal to our mole 0.05 times our molar mass 106. So when you multiply all that, you get 5.3 grams of sodium carbonate. So 5.3 grams of sodium carbonate dissolved in 250 cm cube of water or 0.25 dm cube of water will give us that solution. Hope you learned something today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.